If you have a dog, turn your volume up to see what their reaction will be for the following sounds. Or don't, I can't really tell you what to do.
Show me someone that lives in your house rent-free.
A dog has no use for fancy cars or big homes or designer clothes. A waterlogged stick will do just fine. A dog doesn't care if you're rich or poor, clever or dull, smart or dumb.
New trend. Kiss your pet on the head and see their reaction.
Does anybody else's husband cuddle with their dog when they sleep? Look at him taking a nap with his dog. Isn't that funny?